Hi guys and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and this is the secret craft room. Last year I got the question if I do spooky Christmas as well. I don't. I do very cheerful and colorful Christmas. But on the other hand I do have a Halloween tree for Halloween. And since it's July and a lot of people are doing Christmas in July, why not do Creepmas in July? So for this month I'm going to do some Halloweeny Christmas decorations, starting with these super easy skeleton candy canes. Please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like my content. And without further ado, let's get into the video. For the base I am using 3mm aluminum wire that I am shaping into my candy cane. I made the wire a little longer than the finished candy cane and made a little hook at the end. This way I can easily hang them up to dry. Next I rolled out a piece of foam clay and added it to the wire. I worked the clay to make it a bit neater, but don't worry, a few bumps and irregularities just add to the finished piece. Next I used the clay tool to sort of make a cut about 3 or so centimeters from the start of the candy cane. This is the first skeleton segment, like on skeleton fingers. I worked on one segment at a time. You want each segment to be skinnier at the middle part and thicker towards the edges, like bones typically are. Then I continued making segments like these all the way to the end. Then I hung them up to dry for a day or two. Next I painted them with black Mod Podge. It's equal parts Mod Podge and black acrylic paint, and I like to use this as a primer on top of foam clay. Once dry, I dry brushed the candy canes with an off-white shade of acrylic paint. Then I dry brushed it with white. I know this is a bit heavy of a coat to call dry brushing, but it doesn't matter too much. Next I brushed on watered down dark brown paint and wiped most of it off. This will make the candy cane look a bit old and dirty and dull the crispy white. Once completely dry, I added a coat of matte Mod Podge to seal in the paint. Lastly, I cut off the excess wire and the candy cane was all done. Please don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know in the comments below if you like spooky for Christmas or if you are more traditional. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.